18 household items you never know had expiration dates. Most of us use the consumer products every day without being aware of the fact that they will not last forever and that they should be replaced after some period of time. So, in order to protect our health and our family, we should regularly replace towels, shoes, and even car seats. So, keep reading and find out more about the household items that had expiration dates. 18 things you didn't know have expiration dates. Check them out. Bedroom. 1. Pillows, 2-3 years. You sleep with your pillow every night. You roll it, punch it, and pull it until you find a comfortable position, right? This natural tear and wear will make the pillow to lose its shape, and because of lack of support, you will experience neck pain. Moreover, your pillow will become a home for dust mites. 2. Slippers, 6 months. We all love to put on our slippers after a long day in heels and uncomfortable shoes. Slippers are cozy footwear, which is also a great environment for the spreading of fungal infections. So, make sure to wash your slippers as often as you can. You can easily clean them in your washing machine or by hand. Bathroom. 3. Sponge, 2 weeks, and shower proof, 6 months. Shower utensils can breed mold and fungus. So, it is very important not to use expired sponges and poofs to clean your body. In order to kill growing bacteria, boil them in hot water. 4. Towel, 1-3 years. After having bath or shower, most of us hang our towels on a hook to air dry without knowing that these damp towels are a fitting environment for bacteria growth. You should know that routinely washing towels after they fermented in their wet state will not solve the problem. 5. Toothbrush, 3 months. Once the bristles begin to wear down, we should replace our toothbrushes. Also, it is very important to buy a new toothbrush after a cold or flu in order to prevent yourself from getting sick again from the germs. 6. Hydrogen peroxide, 2 months. Hydrogen peroxide is a wonderful household disinfectant to have handy, but over time the chemical solution degrades into the water. This is why replacing the bottle every 2 months is important. Dresser. 7. Hairbrush, 1 year. It is recommended to clean your brushes thoroughly once a week and replace them yearly. If the hairbrush you use is with natural boar bristle, make sure to buy a new one every 7-10 months. 8. Perfume and eau de toilette, 1-3 years. Perfumes that contain essential oils can last for 3 years when they are stored closed and 2 years if they are stored opened. Eau de toilette is fine for 2 years when store opened and 4 years when store closed. Nursery. 9. Pacifier, 2-5 weeks. Regardless of the time they are used and their condition, latex pacifier must be replaced regularly because latex easily breaks, and the cracks breed germs. 10. Child car seats, 6-10 years. The foam and plastic deteriorate over time, causing the seat to lose its shape and unable to protect the child. It is recommended to buy a new car seat for your child instead of using a second-hand version. Wardrobe. 11. Bra, 1-2 years. Bras don't last forever, and we are aware of this. Once bra begins to lose its shape, loses its elasticity, or becomes uncomfortable, make sure to replace it and buy a new one. 12. Running shoes, 1 year. Once the sneaks hit 250-300 miles, their cushioning starts breaking down and cause unnecessary stress to your joints. Kitchen. 13. Spices, 1-3 years. Spices lose their taste and smell over some period of time. You should know that ground spices, especially, should not be kept more than 6 months. 14. Flour, 6-12 months. First-grade flour can be kept for 6 months while high-grade flour for 1 year. Pantry. 15. Fire extinguishers, 15 years. If you see some damage to your fire extinguisher, like cracks in the hose, make sure to repair it as soon as possible. 16. Power strips, 1-2 years. Power strips can be found at the electrical center of the home, plugging in the iPod charger, the toaster, the tablet charger, the laptop charger, the electric kettle, the cell phone charger, etc. However, keep in mind that power strips have their limitations as well. If you exceed the capacity, you may experience serious problems, so be very cautious. 17. Disinfectants, 3 months. Disinfectants can lose their effectiveness after 3 months of use. 18. Mosquito repellents, 2 years. After 2 years the repellent becomes useless, so if you use them only for your annual summer camp out, don't bother taking them out for the 3rd and 4th year.